Guys, dito natin tatap ng yung ating itong recycle natin, mga recycle natin na mga used na oil. Dito natin dadalhin. So pasok na tayo. Recycling area. Dito yung nakalagay yung mga sari-saring mga oil, no? May oil na cooking oil, vegetables oil. Ano tayo dito natin ilalagay sa motor oil. Kasi oil dito natin ilalagay. Yung mga used oil po natin yan. So pagka meron kayong guys, pagka meron kayong mga waste oil, huwag nyo basta-basta yan, i-dispose nyo talaga sa proper na proper disposal, no? Maraming man itong mga recycling na mga recycling area in Dublin. Madami po ang depende sa kung saan kayo nakabase. Itong sa akin dito sa ang pinaka handy ko dito is dito lang sa may Wicklow area, no? Diyan natin ipatapat yun, so malapit na matapos. And then yung mga used na galon mas dito. Yan po kalalabas natin. Nag-dispose na tayo sa ating dirty things, dirty oil. At saka pupunta na tayo sa sa may bandang Clondalkin ba ito. Meron tayong titirahin na Ford Kuga. Tingnan natin kung anong merong kung anong nangyari na kanyang sasakyan. Kasi tumawag ito sa atin. Like parang business natin tumawag sa atin, patingnan nito yung sasakyan. And then yeah, so yung kanyang sasakyan ayaw mag-engage daw ng gear. Sabi ko whether or not yung clutch lining or yung flywheel ang sira or yung kanyang clutch release bearing or hydraulic release bearing pagka may tagas. So sinabihan ko siya, tinanong ko siya, i-check mo yung clutch reservoir, brake fluid reservoir kung nabawasan ba. Sabi niya hindi naman daw. And then so kung walang bawas yung kanyang brake fluid, ang brake fluid kasi at saka clutch fluid magkaparehas lang yan sila ng lagayan. So mayroong ibang model separate but almost the same. They are almost the same with some other car models na isa lang yung lagayan ng clutch at brake fluid reservoir. So tinanong natin siya na wala namang bawas daw yung kanyang brake fluid o clutch fluid, walang bawas, so ibig sabihin walang leaking. So inano ko lang siya na bibili ng clutch kit. And then most likely mga diesel cars isama nyo na din yung flywheel, which is worth it naman talaga pagka magpalit kayo ng clutch kit. Sama nyo na din yung kanyang flywheel para isang bagsak na lang. So kasi pagka nag-sleeping na yung kanyang clutch lining or clutch disc. So maaring masira yung yung kanyang flywheel surface, masira, madamage yung flywheel surface, and there are scratching on the flywheel surface. So it's not a good thing, kasi pag ipinilit nyo yan, if you force to like to pin in the clutch kit, and then the flywheel surface is not really like good form, then there will be like a vibration, and then it doesn't bring good any to the performance if there is vibration. So matatawag po natin na warping yung kanyang flywheel. So to avoid back jump, you should change the flywheel as well. So flywheel, clutch lining come together. Meron ding tayong ginawa na conversion, like from dual mass to single mass or solid flywheel, no? But ang kaibahan lang ito, yung kanyang solid, i-convert natin yung dual mass, convert natin sa solid. Ang kaibahan lang is yung comfort ng engine, no? During engagement. So dual mass flywheel are designed for the comfort of engine engagement on the gears. So kasi ang diesel engines, they are known to be like diesel are more torque on diesel engines compared to the petrol. So they normally have the dual mass to make comfort for the gears to engine to engage on gears. So yan lang po guys, thank you very much. Follow me for more, and then see you, bye bye.